Hi there, Trista's Treasures here. We are going to dress baby Early Bird as a boy today. Whoops, I got one of my hairs on him. And see how he looks. So, I have him currently in this little t-shirt. And he really likes that, but we're going to put him in, one of my very, very favorite sleepers that I used to use on Bentley, but it's a little too small. I normally put him in a onesie all the time, but due to timing, and I'm hoping that I can upload this faster, because it will be a shorter video, so his mommy can see him faster. I'm not going to do that. So, here we go. Early Bird has full limbs on. I just gave him a fresh diaper on a doe-suede body. I've been dressing this baby as a girl, but I just decided I wondered how this baby would look as a boy. So we're gonna do that. Make sure I put it on right. It doesn't. This baby is a the feet and hands are really small, but he's long. So to look at this baby, you would think, oh, it's a preemie baby, but that will fool you, because if you buy I've made the mistake. I bought a couple of preemie pajamas for him, and he doesn't. You could get preemie pajamas on him, but it's going to be he's too tall, so don't do it. Or you could do it, but you might not like it. Hold on a second. Sorry, I have a husband and children that are. I love them, but they stumble in and out, and I just didn't want interruptions. Anyway, so there's one. Oh, you're going to be handsome. Oh. So this is going to look so handsome. Oh, this is good. Good, good, good. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Snaps are not my friend today. It's a rainy, gloomy day, and I'm too slow and sluggish. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're going to be so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. You got a little teddy bear here. So he's got a teddy bear right there. And his little feet are teddy bears. And I really love the fit because, see, this is a newborn. I think it is. Yep, it's a Carter's Little Me newborn. And then we've got this super duper cute little hat that would never fit my other babies. My Miracle, Bentley, nope. See, I think actually Bentley wore this hat and stretched it out. Oops. Oh my goodness. Aren't you cute? Oh my goodness. I don't have a blue binky for you. I don't have. Oh, gracious. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hold on. Whoa. That was almost a devastating blow for the camera. Okay. Aren't you cute? Oh my goodness, isn't he gorgeous? Oh. Look at him. He is the cutest little, he's so cute. All right, so here we are. I gotta pull his fingers out. Yes, I do. And this baby, oh, snuggles so nicely, just like this. I love rocking this baby because he's not too heavy, but he's a nice little handful, just like this. Or sometimes if I'm wanting to snuggle a baby, I put him just like this, and he'll snuggle, and his little legs will fold right up like a newborn, just like that. And I'll sit and just do this and watch TV with him. He's going to be a hard one to rehome, but anyways, here we are. Just for you, new mama. Hi. We'll see you soon.